All right, YouTube, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Check this one out right here, 40 by 64 16. Remember this one I profiled? Well, in this short little video, I'm gonna take you inside here. All right, 40 by 64 16, 14 by 12, black overhead doors, the black wrap. You can see this wainscot right here, a little bit off charcoal, black sidewall, but look at this right here. Actually, look at this pattern. All right, so a little different than the wainscot right there. All right, so black. You can see that's a regular panel, all right? And actually, this is a textured panel. And the reason why I mention that is because we go inside, I'm gonna kind of highlight that with you, okay? So 4-foot wainscot right there. And you see how they dip down those 3x4 windows and the wainscot as well. Look at the 4x2 windows, but I'll link up the other video, kind of give you an idea. But this one, let's go inside and check out this interior, all right? So black and white. You can see, actually, look at the wainscot. They were thinking about maybe going with the wainscot that was reflective the one outside. So, okay, see that? Actually, it's the same color now. It's inside. It may look a little bit different than what I just shared with you or showed you out there. All right, 3x4 windows again, 4x2 up top. As you can probably see right there. All right, again, these overhead doors that were installed, 12 by 14. All right, again, 16 feet at the eave. We have a white liner panel as well. But this section right here, 4-foot section, you see got the electrical outlets hooked up as well. All right, you can see what we did here. White window trim here, see that? So you're thinking maybe you wanna go with maybe a different color of a window. You can see right here, actually, this is a black window. All right, and then look at this, actually a white trim. So our guys did a really good job. Behind that actually is 2-foot section of R19 sidewall insulation. All right, we did 2-foot section. Now you can do 4-foot or 8-foot if you want to as well. All right, and up top there, R30 insulation, and we got the white liner panel. All right, so you can see this thing's gonna be a nice kind of a play barn, right? For some toys. All right, so 40 by 64 60, you see the double man door, black door right there as well. All right, but I wanted to share with you this one right here. Then actually, I'll get Jim out here and he'll talk a little bit more technical detail on this. But this is kind of giving the idea, the vision from what you can do. And then I'll link up the specs and the details on this one as we walk in on this one. All right, now let me take you around back and we'll wrap this thing up. All right, so what you can do, 40 by 64, 16. And then let me go around back and then I'll share this on YouTube with you guys, all right? Look at this setting. All right, so right here we go. Around the back as well. Let me get you. Then we'll wrap this thing up, all right? Let me know in the comments. We're gonna be changing up the format just a little bit. Maybe putting a little bit better video experience on for you guys out there, our loyal fans. Been with us for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 years. I just gotta make a little bit more time, then we'll get this thing done. All right, so there you go. 40 by 64, 16. 3x4 windows, 4x2 up top here. I appreciate I get a little jog in when I talk to you guys this morning. All right, so there you go. 12 by 14 overhead doors, 412 roof pitch, 40 by 64 16. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let me know in the comments. Keep it down in right here.